we get spoiled nowadays with these cool cordless power tools. Hey guys, today's Dale tool of the day is on these Milwaukee Fuel 12 volt little, I think they call it a belt filer or little belt sander.
Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Tools are cool. Dale's tool of the day.
Anyhow, it's just got this cool little belt, and you can get different widths and different things, but pretty simple, you know? So back in the day, you know, filing stuff gets annoying, your arm gets sore. So I bought one of these little pneumatic guys, and they're pretty cool, but you run that for very long and it gets really annoying to listen to, and it runs your air supply out, so your air compressor's kicking on. Then before long, everything's just really loud and obnoxious, and I end up grabbing a file instead of grabbing this little guy. I mean, it does work. Oh, and then I broke a belt because this belt's super old, and I couldn't find the other little ones for this because I haven't used it in forever because it's kind of annoying to use. But we get spoiled nowadays with these cool cordless power tools, and you can get all sorts of neat things. Let's give it a go. I mean, does it replace your cordless grinder or your corded grinder? No, it doesn't. But it has its place, and it's pretty cool, and they're pretty neat. And sometimes there's just an awkward little thing to get into that you can't get into with a grinder. That's when these shine. It's because they're so small, you can get into places you can't get into with an angle grinder to clean things up. And sometimes when you're building cool things like go-karts, you need something like that. Well, this has been Dale's Tool of the Day. Remember, me and Jesus love you. Talk to you later.